Hello, welcome to data visualization using Matplotlib-Python tutorials. So what is data visualization? Representing the data in the form of pictures or graphs or plots is called data visualization. Okay, data visualization nothing but a representing your data. Data means this, suppose if you take this data employee.csv, we have to convert this employee.csv into pictures or graphs or plots. It's nothing but a data visualization. So for visualization of data, we can use pyplot submodule of the Matplotlib package. So for this we have to do this like this one: import matplotlib-pyplot as plot, as means alias name. So if you want to use this package methods and functions, we have to use this with alias name plt. Okay, and if suppose if this package is not installed in your system, just type command this. Okay, enter command pip install matplotlib in your Visual Studio console or any spider id console environment. Okay, pip install matplotlib in your console, enter this command. After installing this package consists of different type of graphs like bar graph, histogram, pie chart, line graph, scatter plot. In this video we will see bar graph. Okay, so here what is bar graph? Bar graph represents data in the form of vertical or horizontal bars like this. Okay, we are converting the data into graphs like this. Okay, so what is the use of this bar graph? To compare the quantities. Okay, to compare the quantities we have to use this bar graph here. Suppose if you want to employee.salary, I want to find highest salaries and lowest salaries of this employee data. Okay, which person has highest salary and lowest salary. Suppose height is there, weight is there, which person has highest height and lowest height, and highest weight and lowest weight. Okay, like that. If you want to compare the quantities, numerical one. Okay, numerical one or decimal one, categorical one, right? So if you want to compare the quantities, we have to use this bar graph. Okay, remember that one. Measuring quantities nothing but measuring some value. Okay, we are comparing the quantities here. Okay, comparing some column values here, numerical one, that too. Okay, so we will see with an example here. Write a Python program to display employee id numbers on x-axis and their salary on y-axis in the form of bar graph. Find highest and lowest salary. Okay, x-axis we have to take this employee id numbers here, id numbers. In y-axis we have to take these salaries. Okay, salaries here, salary of the employees, and we have to find the which one has a highest salary and lowest salary using this bar graph. Okay, so for that we have to convert this employee.csv into data frame using pandas package. We have to convert that, and we have to draw like this one. Okay, observe here. So at the end we have to get like this. Okay, we'll do step by step. Okay, so first we have to convert the employee.csv into this data frame object. Okay, using pandas package read_csv function we can convert that. Okay, and location you have to pass here. We have already seen this in pandas tutorials, right? And just enter, right? So we got the data here: id, name, gender, age, salary. Okay, so in an x-axis we have to take this id values, on y-axis we have to take this salary values. Okay, for that x is equal to, and remember we have to import this one, matplotlib-pyplot as plot here. Remember that one. We have to import these two packages, pandas and this pyplot package. Okay, so take x-axis is equal to x is equal to df id. Okay, id and y value, take y value salary. Okay, salary column values. Why we are taking this? For measuring the highest and lowest salary. Okay, for finding the highest and lowest salaries using bar function. Sorry, let's take sal here, sal, right? Just execute it. See, we got the x series object. Okay, see, id values, x consists of this id values, and y-axis consists of this salary values. Next thing, to draw the bar graph we have to use plot bar function. Okay, plt dot bar function is there, plt dot bar. Okay, in bar function we have to pass the x and y values. Okay, this id and salary values, x and y values, and also label, give the label here, means to tell which type of data it is. Okay, so employee, this is employee data, give this employee data, and if you want to give color to the bars, just give color here, simple color is equal to red, give red or green, whatever, right? You have to pass these parameters. You have to pass the x value and y value. This bar value function takes the x value in x-axis and y values in the y-axis. Okay, and measure the So we can conclude which one has highest salary and lowest salary after converting the data into this bar function. If you want to display the bar function, you have to use this plt.show. Simple. Show function displays the bar graph. Just execute now. See, we got the graph here. Okay, so observe this one. Observe this one graph. So if you want employee salaries here and employee IDs here in an x-axis like this one, we did not get that one. So if you want employee IDs in x-axis and employee salaries y-axis like this, just you have to use x label and y label function. So plot dot x label, okay, x label employee IDs and y label employee salaries, okay, emp sales, use some any name, emp sales, right? Just execute again. See, we got it, employee IDs and employee sales. And next, if you want Oracle INC top of this bar graph, just you have to use title, okay, title function. Use title plt dot title function, okay, Oracle INC, right? Execute it. If you want to give title to your bar graph, you have to use this title function. Simple words. Just execute it. So we got Oracle INC. And if you want to display data like this here, employee data, okay, if you want to display like this employee data on the top of this red bars, just we have to use legend function for that, okay, simple, plt dot legend, right? Execute it. We already given employee label equal employee data because this data kinds of employee data here, okay. Just execute it. See, we got the employee data. Okay, so if you want to display different type of data in the top of the graph, in the top of here bars, means you have to write this legend function, okay. Different set of data. If you want to display different set of data names, you have to use this one, okay. So you got the graph. So after seeing this graph, so which is the highest salary and which is the lowest salary here? Obviously here 108 is the highest salary here. Observe here, okay, 108 employee ID 108 has a highest salary, and the lowest salary is here 101 and 105 is the lowest salaries here, okay. So by seeing graphs we can conclude that which one is the highest salary, which one is the lowest salary, okay. By comparing, we can compare different set of salaries here. So using bars we can achieve that, okay, comparing the quantities. Bars are used for comparing the quantities, okay. In the next video we will see another example of bar graph, okay, in program 2.